Got this already. I already brought some stuff. Of course, the tissue. Essential. And what else did I bring to me? This one is so far from this bed, this and a hot wash, of course. This hooks, this is from my mom. Anyway, today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mama and Ate, and to my sister-in-laws, Ate Nebs and Ate Andrea, and trash can, a trash bag, and hand sanitizer, alcohol, hand wash. Ang gulo ko mag-vlog, but yeah, I just want to document this. So I will show you. As you can see, may ano na siya. Wait. Okay, what do I love about here sa new apartment is the natural light. As you can see, it's already, I think it's already 4, almost 5. And may natural light pa rin siya. So whenever hindi ako gagamit masyado ng electricity. And natural light lang siya. Yung window, I will show you later on. So, ano yung kitchen? And may mga dinala na akong ibang gamit. Actually, ibang gamit ko lang to ay end up with foam na meron lang. Okay, so this is the itsura naman kapag dito ka sa part here. Ayan. Yan. So, that's the itsura kapag pumasok ka. Sorry, sobrang kapag so, nagiging nga yung water. So, from this side, and from this side, ito naman yung sa kitchen. Or, so this looks, no, para paglagyan tayo pa siyang ilaw. Kaya ang may ilaw na lang ay ito. So I need bulbs, new bulbs. And I need somebody to help me. Pagkakita yung bulbs there. But yeah. And here naman is the mini bathroom. Mini bathroom lang siya. So, tada! It's color blue. And wala pa rin siyang wall. And this our sky is blue. And may rocker rin siya dito. I'm planning to have. Actually, pwede siya for shower. Pero yun nga, medyo hina. May bidet din. Which is very important. And yeah. The flush is working. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na natural light look. So when you enter, this is the space. And that's the space. There's a window there. And ito, medyo malaki naman yung space ko for the bed. Siguro hindi ko nalagay yung bed. Pagganto na lang siguro. And then, I think I will put a working table, a working area here. And then, dito na lang yung other stuff I have. And then, the mirror here. And then, mini table dyan. And this is the kitchen. But just a mini kitchen lang. Ito yung pinadala ni Mama na udalhin ko raw before I move in. And yeah, I have a lot of hooks here. There. This is very essential. Hooks are life. For life. Ayan. So, yeah. Nagpaalam ako sa owner if pwede ako mag-paint. Sabi nila hindi raw. So, I think it's okay. So, yeah. I don't know kung ano lalagay ko dun sa area na yan. Ayoko rin this time, I will try to be a minimalist kasi medyo madami akong gamit. I hoard a lot, but yeah, let's see. In the mighty name of Jesus. Ayan. So, ayan. Kakatapos ko lang mag-pray here for this new home. Now, let's try to see what is going on now. Let's internalize these things. So, this is me now. Today is May 9. And today is Sunday. Today is Mother's Day. Hi Mama, hi Ate. Hi Ate Andrea. Hi Ate Nems. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for bringing such joy and blessing to our lives. You are such a wonderful person. Especially you, Mama. I love you so much. And you know, nagka-cry na ako. I just want to document this new chapter of my life. Nagka-cry talaga ako. Lord, thank you. Sobrang thank you. So, yeah, as I was saying, today is Sunday. I just checked this house. Kasi sabi mo nalinisan na raw. So I came here. Today is Sunday. Today is just a beautiful day. Let's just have a very quick realization. So it's almost a year already since I moved out from Diliman. I decided to transfer from Diliman, Quezon City to Pasig kasi mas malapit siya sa workplace ko. So I am still working at NB's Ortigas, still in teaching, grade 11. So malapit na kasi matapos yung contract ko sa condo. And although June pa naman yung end ng contract namin, I decided to find a new place na para at least ma-settle na before pa mag-June, before pa mag-end yung contract namin ni April. So, we decided na maghanap na and to live alone fully. And by God's grace, last week I think, or 2 weeks ago, naghanap lang kami, just simply walking, sabi namin tingin, may nakita kami dito sa loob ng subdivision na nagpaparent sila. I asked, and then they said na vacant nga tong place na to. And nung kanento ko kay kuya na may nahanap akong place, same lang din yung rent fee ko sa condo and here. Plus, yun kasi medyo mas mahal lang kasi nga fully furnished na siya. Compared here, like, as you can see naman, it's all there. That's the kitchen. And here's the window. As in, walang gamit. Nung una, medyo nag-worry ako kasi sabi ko, shucks, wala akong something na gamit. Paano dala? Wala akong bed, wala akong rice cooker and everything. But highly encouraged naman ni Kuya na i-secure ko na daw itong place. And through him naman, God is really so good. He used my brother for me na masettle din, makuha ko agad itong place na to. And with that, I'm just so grateful. If there's one thing na growing up now, if there's one thing na I realize, your siblings is a blessing. No matter what happened. Siguro nung mga bata kami talaga, we're not even close growing up. Close naman kami, pero hindi to the point na ganito. We will back each other up. Pero simula nung graduate ako, I just want to acknowledge yung effort and help ng kuya ko, especially his unending support, si Kuya Nico and Ate Andrea. Ever since na graduate talaga ako ng college, lumipat ako ng Manila for the board exam. I met a lot of people during board exam, and then now, yung nag-work na ako, I stayed with them for a year. Tapos, after a year, I decided na mag-move out na rin and to have my own place. Yun nga lang, I stayed with April. So, all throughout the year, she was with me also. So, navigating life after life, work, personal life, and so on and so many things. And na-enjoy ko naman yung pag-stay ko sa DECA. And I think this is the best way na mas na-experience how life really goes on, or what is life being an adult. And yun, this year I will be turning, wala nyo na. I will be turning, nasa kalendaryo pa naman, pero yun, right now I'm feeling really blessed. May kaba, kinakabahan ako kasi yun, nobody has trained you to be alone or to live alone. It's not sad actually to be alone or to live alone kasi mas makikilala mo yung sarili mo. And at the same time, ayun, challenge na rin ito, and kailan pa tayo matututo to stand on our own. And ayun, so this time, I just visited this place. Dinala ko lang yung ibang gamit. Let's see, baka this next week, magdala rin ako ng ibang pang gamit. Online class pa rin kasi kami, so wala akong internet dito and hindi pa siya fully home vibe kasi kulang na kulang pa rin yung gamit. But yeah, let's see kung ano yung magiging life ko in this new chapter, and I'm just very grateful to God for giving me this opportunity to experience the life, and to my parents who never ever failed to really support me with my decisions I made, to my siblings for their moral support, financial support. I ayun, to my Ate Andrea also for always cheering me out. And ayun, siguro to the younger self, to the young Shaina, looks like we kind of made it. Looks like we kind of made it. I'm just excited. I'm just really, really excited. I just want to create a space for myself, to create a new memories, new experiences. May it be a challenging one and a beautiful one, whatever it is. I'm just so confident that God is with me in all ways and always. So, ayun, medyo nawawala na yung natural light na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this other stuff muna dito. Iyak ako. So, kailangan ko ng bulbs. Ayan, at least na-check ko na kung ano ba yung mga kailangan ko. I need new bulbs, the curtain, yeah, table, closet, bed frame, and I think that's it. So, yeah, this is gonna be a beautiful and exciting journey, and let's see what will happen next.